guys, I will tell you guys that YouTube Shorts have helped many people. If out of 100%, one is going viral through their long time video, then 50 people are going viral through short video. That is why short videos on YouTube is very, very important, especially for you, the upcoming one. Do you really want to grow your channel? Have you been struggling? Have you been struggling to have new subscribers, new viewers from your video? Now this video is for you. I want you to click the like button, share and subscribe. For why YouTube Shorts are important. Number one is that massive reach and explosion. Yes, shorts are published heavily by YouTube algorithm. Shorts are published heavily by YouTube algorithm. If algorithm is pushing like 2 long videos, then it is pushing like 50 short videos. So your video might pop out in so many places when you start doing short. So I will urge you as an upcoming one, if you really want to grow on this platform, then start doing shorts. Very, very important for you. They show up in short feed, which gives your content a chance to be seen by thousands. You can see what I have jotted down. You can hear it. It says they show up in short feed, which gives your content a chance to be seen by thousands, even if you have a small subscriber. So even if you have a small subscriber, you observe that your shorts have more view and tend to get you new subscribers more than long video. All of us know that. Even if you are an upcoming one, even if you are struggling with your channel, just start doing shorts and you will see that your story will change. Shorts is very, very important. Then the other one is that the number 2 key is that fast growth potential. Number 2 advantage is fast growth potential. Many creators, especially new ones, get their first viral moments from shorts. They want to go viral on time. Then start posting shorts. That's why we always tell you guys that when you are posting a long video and you are not having view from it, then start making shorts and you'll be surprised by the turn up. Just turn down your long video, cut out that important part, cut out that that part that you know that people will love, then post it as short. Don't let it be up to 3 seconds, just 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds video, post it and you will see that people will watch it and it will bring new subscribers, new viewers for you. It's a great way to attract new viewers who might subscribe and watch your long video. Do you want more audience? Do you want new audience that will watch your long video? Then start doing short. If you have posted long video and people are not watching it, I want you to cut out that interesting part of that your long video and post it as short. Don't let it to be up to 90 seconds. Just 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds video. Post it and you'll be surprised by the turn up. If you want more like new audience, if you want new subscribers that will come and watch your long video, then it is through short that you will get the new viewers, the new audience, the new subscribers that will subscribe to watch that your long video. So guys, short is very, very important. Then number 3 key is that more content, less time. Of course, every one of us know that shorts is easier to edit, short is easier to make, and short is easier to publish. So creating short takes less time than long video. Yes, creating shorts takes less time than long video. You can post more frequently, stay consistent, and stay top of your mind for your audience. Do you want to be consistent? Do you want to be consistent in your posting? Do you want to always give your audience what to watch? Then it is through shorts that you will make it. That is why I said some people will say they don't like they don't want to like do short and long at the same time. But it is through that shorts that you can be consistent. Instead of posting like once a week, you can be posting like 3 times a week, 4 times a week if you are a type that does shorts. So if you want to be consistent with your audience, then you have to start you have to learn to start posting short. Very, very important. If you want to post frequently, if you want to stay consistent, if you want to stay top of your mind for your audience, then you start posting short. Then the number 4th advantage of posting short, why you should do short as an upcoming one, is that test ideas quickly. Short lets you test hook, title and topic before making a full video. Yes, short will help you to test that idea, that title that you are not sure of, that hashtag or that tag that you are not sure of. Short will help you to make any test that you will have to test before doing that long form video. So if your short, I will advise you guys that if your short performs well, any of your short that you have posted, if it performs well, I will urge you guys to go and make the long video of that short. It will really help that video. That is what I do when I make a short. There's one video I make with my daughter that I made short. I find out that people really turn up all over the world. They really love it. Most viewers, most subscribers, most comments come from that short. Then I quickly go and make the long video, and you will find out also that they will turn up in that your long video. That is how it works. So that is my advice for you. Now the final point, the final advantage of you posting short is that monetization opportunity. Many people do not know that shorts can be monetized. Yes, many people do not know that shorts can be monetized. So as of 2023, shorts are monetized. Even till now, they are still monetized. So guys, don't say that shorts are not monetized. They are monetized. So far, you are posting enough. You have enough view. You are posting consistently. Shorts can bring you real. Shorts will bring you real income and help you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. So that is it. So tip for creators. I wrote tips that I want to share with you creators. Use shorts to entertain, educate, or inspire your audience. Very important, and you find out that you will have more view, more subscribers. So grab attention fast. Use short to grab attention fast. Use shorts to grab attention to your videos. Use shorts to grab that new subscriber. Grab the numerous viewers that will come and watch your video. So grab your attention fast by using your shorts. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, if you really learned something from this video, I want you to hit on that subscribe button, like and share, so that so many new creators can see this video and see how important it is to create short video also. And also I want you to turn on your notification, because I always share videos like this. I always share tips that help in building your channel if you have been struggling with your channel, because I myself, I am also a new YouTuber on this platform. I've only spent 3 months, less than 3 months, and I am where I am now. So if the tips can work for me, it will work for you also. So guys, thank you for joining me. Love you guys. Bye.